A single AI tool just saved a student 47 hours of research time in one afternoon. And you've probably never heard of it. Right now, there are incredible AI tools sitting there completely free. Tools that could change how you work forever. Most people are stuck using the same 3 AI apps everyone knows about. But today, you're getting the secret list. 10 game-changing AI tools that feel like having superpowers. From an AI that writes your emails better than you do, to one that turns your voice into any celebrity. These aren't just cool party tricks. They are productivity weapons. And by the end of this video, you'll have access to all of them. Let's dive in. Number 10. Perplexity AI. This isn't just another search engine. Perplexity gives you research-quality answers with actual sources cited. While Google shows you 10 blue links, Perplexity reads everything for you. Then gives you a perfect summary. It's like having a personal research assistant who never sleeps. Students are finishing assignments 80% faster using this instead of Google. The best part? It shows you exactly where each fact came from. So you never have to worry about accuracy again. Number 9. Runway ML. You can now create Hollywood-quality videos from just text descriptions. Type something like "guy walking through a forest at sunset." Runway creates a professional video clip in minutes. Major film studios are using this exact tool for pre-visualization. Videos that would cost thousands of dollars to shoot. You can make them sitting at your kitchen table. The quality is so good, people think you hired a film crew. Number 8. ElevenLabs Voice Cloning. This tool can clone anyone's voice from just 3 minutes of audio. YouTubers are using it to translate their content into different languages. Using their own voice. One creator increased their audience by 400% doing Spanish versions. The cloned voice is so realistic, even family members can't tell the difference. You could literally have your voice speak fluent French without learning a single French word. Number 7. Notion AI. If you use Notion for notes, this upgrade changes everything. It can write entire project plans from a single sentence. Students are using it to create study schedules that actually work. One user said it organized 2 years of messy notes in 20 minutes. It doesn't just organize information. It understands context and creates connections you'd never think of. Like having a personal assistant living inside your notebook. Number 6. Gamma Presentation AI. Making presentations just became ridiculously easy. You give it a topic. Gamma creates a complete slideshow with graphics and layout. A marketing manager used it to create a pitch deck in 12 minutes. The same deck would normally take her 6 hours. Clients thought she hired a professional design team. The presentations look so polished, people assume you're using expensive software. Number 5. Krisp AI Noise Cancellation. Your video calls are about to sound professional forever. Krisp removes background noise in real time during calls. Dog barking, construction work, crying babies. Gone instantly. Remote workers are getting promoted because their calls sound so crisp. One person said it made them sound like they have a professional studio, even when they are calling from a busy coffee shop. Number 4. Otter AI Meeting Assistant. Never take meeting notes again. Otter joins your calls and creates perfect transcripts automatically. It identifies different speakers and highlights key decisions. Managers are saving 4 hours per week just on note-taking. The transcripts are so accurate, people use them instead of recordings. It even creates action items and follow-up reminders. Like having a secretary in every meeting. Number 3. Canva Magic Write. Canva isn't just for design anymore. Magic Write creates any type of content you need instantly. Social media posts, email campaigns, product descriptions. A small business owner used it to write a month of Instagram captions. In less than 10 minutes. The engagement on those posts increased by 60%. Compared to her old content. It knows your brand voice and keeps everything consistent. Number 2. Claude by Anthropic. While everyone's talking about ChatGPT, Claude is quietly becoming better. It handles longer conversations without forgetting context. You can upload entire documents and Claude analyzes everything perfectly. A lawyer used it to review a 200-page contract in minutes. Claude found 3 issues the legal team missed during weeks of review. It's like having a genius colleague who never gets tired. And now, the number 1 AI tool that's going to blow your mind. Midjourney through Discord. This isn't just an image generator. It's an art revolution happening in real time. You type a description, and Midjourney creates artwork that looks like it belongs in a museum. Artists are making thousands of dollars selling Midjourney creations as NFTs. One person made $50,000 in their first month. The images are so detailed and creative, people think you spent years learning digital art. You can create book covers, social media graphics, even concept art for movies. All from simple text descriptions. The tool is so powerful, major brands are using it for advertising campaigns. And you can access this same technology for free. Just by joining their Discord server. These 10 tools represent the future of productivity. While most people are still doing things the old way, you now have access to AI superpowers. The question isn't whether AI will change how we work. It's whether you'll be ahead of the curve or playing catch-up. If you found even one of these tools useful, smash that subscribe button. We are dropping daily AI updates that could change your life. Tomorrow, I'm revealing the AI tool that's replacing entire marketing teams. You won't want to miss it. See you tomorrow.